Tata Group on Tuesday announced the merger of its two airlines, Vistara and Air India. With this consolidation, Air India will be India's leading domestic and international carrier with a combined fleet of 218 aircraft, making it India's largest international carrier and second largest domestic carrier. Vistara shall be merged with Air India post receipt of requisite approvals. As part of the merger transaction, SIA shall also invest Rs 2,059 crore in Air India. Post the consolidation, SIA shall hold 25.1% shareholding in Air India. The transaction is estimated to be completed by March 2024. Air India, an airline fully owned by Tata Sons, has been the flag carrier of India. Tata Sons, via its fully owned subsidiary Talas Private Limited or Talas, has acquired 100% stake in Air India on January 27, 2022.